Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying backups. Open Viber, go to Account Viber Backup, and confirm a recent copy exists. Once done, make sure that backup is stored on the correct Google Drive or iCloud account. This is why the account choice matters. Next, export your phone contacts as a VCF or CSV file and save it locally for safety. You do this to avoid data loss during restore and to have a fallback if Viber restore fails. You now perform the restore. Open Viber and choose Restore from the backup you confirmed earlier. During the process, allow Viber full permissions for storage and contacts. Without them, Viber cannot write recovered entries to your phone. Once restored, make sure your phone's contacts app is syncing to the same Google or iCloud account that held the backup, because Viber writes contacts into that account. If contacts don't appear immediately, force a manual sync in account settings to prompt the system to import new entries. You finish by verifying every contact inside both the Contacts app and Viber. Look for duplicates and merge them with the Contacts app tools. If some entries remain missing, import the VCF export you saved earlier. This fills gaps left by the restore. Finally, if contacts are still absent, check 3 things. The backup date to ensure it contains the contacts, the Google/iCloud account used, and Viber's permissions for storage and contacts. Tip: revoke and re-grant permissions, then rerun the restore if.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.